Hokkaido, Hokkaido has been a targeted of agriculture development since the beginning of the Meiji period, with the establishment of the Hokkaido Colonial Office and the assistance of the numerous foreign advisors who introduced new crops and new agriculture techniques. Hokkaido farms in Japan average 11 acres and the four-time higher despite effort to cultivate rice on about 60% of the cultivatable land in the area. The climate and the soil were not conducive and production was low. Other crops included oats, potatoes, vegetables, rice, and wheat, as well as the extensive gardening. The dairy industry was important, as was rising of the horse for the house use of the Imperial Japanese Army cavalry. The number of the peasant households is 200,000, and the government has mentioned the possibilities of establishing another 100,000 log. The fields were for rice, potatoes, rice, and rye were through 3.5 to 4 acres. Northern Hansu produced 75% of Japanese apples. Other products including cherries and horses, central Honshi's rice, and specific cultivated products including white mulberry, silkworm for insects, tea in Shizuoka, and Taikon in the Aichi, and rye, rice, grape, wine, etc. Shikoku and Kishu. Due to the climatic condition, the traditional rice and sweet potato crops were dominated by the Shikoku and the Kishi island. Other major crops including sugarcane, bananas, Japanese citrus, tobacco, taro, and the beans. Other products found in hilly areas including rye, wheat, morel, silk, and livestock, horses and cows. The tropical islands were largely agricultural based on their limited cultivation areas, which rice, sweet potatoes, sugarcane, and fruits. Taiwan. In Taiwan, with a large ethnic population, agriculture practices and the products in Taiwan were Chinese style, dominated by the rice cultivation and sweet potatoes. Cash crops include the fruits and teas and jute and rimi. Cultivated land was 2,200, 174 acres, 8,563.85 km at a density of the 1,576 inhabitants per square mile. In 1937, the central government emphasizes the development of the sugarcane industry, and Taiwan and Japan 42% demanded for new sugar. Sugar consumption in Japan increased from 15 pounds in 1918 to the 30 pounds in 1928. The central government also called for a development of the forest products. Kapur woods was collected from the forest or gardens under the monopoly of the governments. Formosa manufacturing companies from the 1899. Mandate of the South Sea. The equatorial state of the Mandate Island in the South Pacific supported the cultivation of the coconut, taro, sweet potato, tobacco, banana, pineapple, and rice for local use and exports. The central government emphasizes on the sugarcane industry, which contained original sugar in soybean and palau. However, the very limited cultivatable area of southern Pacific Mandate means that the fishing and the whales remain economically important. Philippines. Prior to the Battle of the Pacific, a small Japanese settlement was established in the Davao and south of the island of the Mindanao, which worked with Japanese private companies to cultivate Manila for cannabis. It was the center of this region, which with the cultivation of vines, sugarcane, pineapple, bananas, sweet potatoes, and other tropical crops in the region. Abaca farming exceeded sugarcane cultivation in the areas, but not in the price. 25% were shipped to the United States.